It's a problem, Judge Eric M. Davis told Fox lawyers, saying it could affect their previous decisions in the case. A Dominion attorney argued that last-minute statement made by Fox to Dominion on Sunday affected the way case was handled. He said this means they will qualify for a wider set of documents from Fox, including Murdoch, during the discovery phase of the case. Fox previously owned Fox Corporation, including Murdoch and his son, CEO Lachlan Murdoch. And its officials had no day-to-day operational roles in the network. It's very disturbing we're at this point, said Dominion's attorney, Justin Nelson, adding that, something has had a huge impact on the way we handle this case. It seems extremely odd to say we don't know who our officers are, and now we're finding out, Davis said. The lawyer also said that in Murdoch's statement, he admitted that he was an officer. But, Davis said, you can't escape responsibility as an officer by saying he didn't do anything. Dominion's lawyers have yet to say whether they will ask court to make some sort of decision based on the new information, and judge has not said what to. We'll take care of that, Davis said at one point. Later in Tuesday's hearing, Davis brought the matter up again to Fox's lawyers, telling them, I'm not angry with you. He said that if he had known, it wouldn't been enough for him to make a summary decision in favor of the Dominion, he could have gone the other way and that would have been a problem. Judge Eric M. Davis said he would restrict references January 6 attack on the Capitol building to be biased and unrelated case. Stay away from him, he told lawyers at Tuesday's pre-trial hearing. Dominion's lawyers argued that testimonials were important because of messages that showed Fox executives wanted to return from Donald Trump's stolen election allegations following the attack on Capitol. But Davis said lawyers could question a figure like Rupert Murdoch more generally as to why the network wanted to steer clear of Donald Trump and his vote-rigging allegations. We want to make Trump impersonal. We have to lead our audience, which is not as easy as it sounds. The judge also limited what Dominion could tell jury about threats company received as Trump and his allies. Davis said he didn't downplay the threats, but, I don't want the jury to be completely influenced by someone beyond Fox's control. He said he would generally allow references to threats, but cautioned Dominion lawyers not to go into details unless Fox makes them an issue. The judge stated that he also received threats and sent them to the lawyers of the case. Davis, while going through a series of motions, also ruled in favor of the Dominion on several points. He said Fox could not claim that allegations of election by a defense in the case were newsworthy. The judge noted that he had already rejected that defense in a summary judgment last month. Davis argued that the Dominion could then easily challenge the witness on cross-examination. I love this cross, judge said, noting that election companies' lawyers could only ask witness why they invited Sidney Powell or Rudy Giuliani, two Trump allies who were multiple guests on network immediately after 2020 election. But not others, like election security experts. Davis also said Fox could not defend himself by presenting evidence that Trump has presented sections elsewhere in the network that push back against the allegations made by his allies. You can't save yourself from slander by assigning someone to say a different statement at a different time, Davis said. The jury will also have to decide whether the main Fox Corporation is liable, and if it decides in Dominion's favor, what level of losses the company should pay. Jury selection in the case is scheduled to begin on Thursday. More to come.